Hi guys, my name is Nikhil and you're watching Excel in Excel. In this episode, I'll be talking about how do you password protect your sheets and workbooks. I've also added timestamps if you would like to just browse through quickly through the contents of this video. So by now you probably would have got a basic understanding of a few things in Excel, and maybe you've already started working on your sheets. And sometimes I'm working on sheets which have some sort of confidential data, or I don't want people to change my sheet, for example. So there's a way that Excel allows you to protect your sheet in a way, and it's pretty easy to do so. If I basically just right click on the sheet that I want to put a password on, I just have to right click on it and then I go to protect sheet. And once I go to protect sheet, it's actually going to give me a lot of options. What I would want to get out of this parts of protection. Do I want to basically allow the users to do a few things? Do I allow them to select the lock cells? Do I let them allow format the cells? Do I allow them to insert columns and so on? So there's a huge list of accessibility that you can give to the people who are gonna use this sheet on your behalf, right? For example. So quickly, the way to password protect is just by entering a password. So I'm just gonna enter a random password, and then it's gonna ask me to confirm the same password again. And when I press OK, uh, the sheet is basically locked. Yeah. So what happens is when I right click, you'll see the unprotect option, which means the sheet is sort of protected now. I mean, let me just unlock this and show you. So also there's a way that you could check something regarding the formats of your cells. So if I just select all of these and I right click on format cells, so when I go to protection, it says that these are locked. Yeah. So once I click locked and I press OK, it means that all of these cells are locked, and when I password protect them, so it says allow the users only to select lock cells. It's going to allow them to select the unlock cells, but I'm not allowing them to format the cells or insert rows and columns, for example. So let's see what happens. Uh, Let me just lock this sheet again. I'm gonna press OK. So when I'm pressing, trying to press anything on the sheet, it's not allowing me to do so. And the only way I could change the sheet or change these numbers is by entering the password. So it's like you're the admin of the sheet. Another way, and this is something which is used to lock your specific sheets. It's not locking your file on the whole. So if you want to lock your workbook completely, you have to go to file and you go to info, and here you select protect workbook and you go to encrypt with password, and then I enter a password. It's going to ask me to confirm that again, and I press OK. I'm going to close the sheet for now. Yeah. And I save it, and once I try to open this sheet again, so at the start of when the sheet opens, it's going to ask me for a password, and if I don't know the password, I cannot even access the sheet, right? So this is a very useful thing if you have confidential information going on and you just want a few users to have access to your file. And once they have access, you can also define to what extent they can have access to changing these passwords on your sheet. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and you can keep all your confidential files protected now, since you know how to encrypt your files and sheets. And I hope you're liking the content. Keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't be shy. Paste your comments. Let me know if you're liking the stuff that I'm posting, and if you would like me to cover something specific, just drop a comment. This is me, Nikhil, checking out. I will see you soon.